स्वागत है। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी 21 से 23 सितंबर तक अमेरिका दौरे पर रहेंगे। यात्रा के दौरान प्रधानमंत्री डेलावेयर में चौथे क्वाड नेताओं के शिखर सम्मेलन में हिस्सा लेंगे, जिसकी मेजबानी अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति जो बाइडेन करेंगे। पीएम मोदी के अमेरिका दौरे पर आज भारत के विदेश मंत्रालय ने एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की। भारत के विदेश सचिव विक्रम मिस्री ने बताया कि राष्ट्रपति बाइडेन और जापानी प्रधानमंत्री किशिदा के लिए एक तरह का विदाई कार्यक्रम जैसा होगा। इस दौरान संयुक्त राष्ट्र महासभा में पीएम मोदी का भाषण होना है। भारत ने 2025 में क्वाड शिखर सम्मेलन करने को मंजूरी दे दी है।
Very quickly, as I said, on the bilateral part, there will be an opportunity to have a substantive engagement between Prime Minister and President Biden, where they will have the opportunity to review the comprehensive global strategic partnership between India and the United States, which today covers almost every aspect of human endeavor through the 50+ engagements and bilateral dialogue mechanisms that we have between the two sides. Again, it also gives the Prime Minister the opportunity to thank President Biden for his pioneering role in strengthening the India-US relationship and for the several new initiatives such as the initiative on critical and emerging technologies, which was taken during during the time that President Biden has been at the helm in the United States. At the bilateral meeting, I just want to preview this a little bit for you. There will be an opportunity for both sides to exchange a few agreements. Two that I would highlight are the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework related agreements and an India-US drug framework.
केंद्रीय गृह और सहकारिता